Hey guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your lobby account from your mobile device. If you're fed up of using the lobby application from your mobile device, then now you can delete your account anytime you like. The process is pretty simple and straightforward. So whatever the reasons be, if you want to get rid of your lobby account from your mobile device, then watch this video till the end and follow the simple steps. So first go to your lobby application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Now log into your account. Once you have verified it, you will have successfully logged into your lobby account. So go to bottom right corner and tap onto the profile icon here. Once you land onto your profile page, you can see the settings gear at the right side of the screen. Tap on it. Now on the settings page, if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see the Others tab. Tap on it. From the Others page, go and tap on Delete Account. By tapping on it, you will land onto the page where it says before you delete account, you need to verify your identity by signing in again. So go and tap on Use Phone Number. Now you'll have to fill in the verification code in the text field here. Once it is verified, you will land onto the Delete Account page. The page informs that if you delete your account, you will no longer be able to log into your lobby with that account. You will lose access to any information you have uploaded, and you will not be able to get a refund on any items you have purchased. Your information that is not stored on your account, such as chat messages, may still be visible to others. So your account will be deleted in 30 days. During deactivation, your account won't be visible to public. So if you agree to all these terms and conditions, go and tap on I confirm, then tap on Delete Account. In order to confirm, go and tap on to Delete Account once again. Then you will be taken back to the login page immediately. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.